land. Additional traffic landing 12 is an Airbus. They're going to hold short of your runway.
Clear to land runway 9, Delta 1580.
American 3023, cross Pine at above 3,000 to ILS 12 approach, speed 210 or greater to Piana.
210 or greater to Piana, 3,000, and then clear for the ILS 12, and then 3023.
Land Ecuador 120 heavy, cross leg at 4,000 to the RNAV runway 9 approach. Land Ecuador 120 heavy, your speed 210 till grid.
Approach American 1352, passing 12-5, Frogs 4, we got golf, landing east.
Extend by 1 second. Giant 4570 heavy, you're 2 miles from grid, turn right heading 060, maintain 3,000 till established local altitude ILS 9 approach.
060, maintain 3,000, established with the local altitude, clear for the ILS, runway 9er, China 4570.
American 1352, Miami approach, ILS 9er.
ILS 9, thank you.
EPS 5075 heavy, reduce speed to 210.
Speed 210 for EPS 5075.
Giant 4570 heavy, speed 170 until Lynette.
Tango to hold short, runway 12, Virgin 117, Foxtrot Heavy. 4570.
Exit 703, turn 10 degrees right for track.
Center exit 702.
EPS 391 heavy, fly heading 020 and maintain 10,000.
Heading 020, 10,000, 391 heavy.
Giant 4570 heavy, towers 123.9er, good day.
23-9er, Giant 4570 heavy, thanks.
Exit 703, expedite to 4,000 please.
That's correct, 4,000.
American 360, descend to maintain 8,000.
8,000.
Exit 703, contact approach 125.5, good day.
125,
American 1352, reduce speed to 230.
230, American 1352.
American 360, turn right direct to leg, maintain 7,000.
Down 7,000, right turn direct leg.
American 1352, fly heading of 130, intercept the localizer, maintain 8,000.
130, intercept localizer, maintain 8,000, American 1352.
Miami approach Delta 2548, send me the frost forward call.
4570, roger.
Channel 7137, Miami approach welcome, find the visual approach to runway 8 left. American 360, cross leg at 4,000 to ILS 9er approach.
Look at 4,000.
EPS 391 heavy, fighting 030.
Heading 030, 391.
Delta 2548, descend to maintain 6,000.
17, 6,000, Delta 2548.
Transalto 7137, fighting 040, maintain 4,000.
040, 4,000, that's our 7137.
2 taxi via Quebec, traffic on a 5-mile farm.
Cross runway 12 and then via Quebec, Roger, Virgin 117 Foxtrot. So we're going straight ahead on Tango, yeah?
Yes, straight ahead Tango, Quebec.
Tango, Quebec, traffic on a 5-mile, Virgin 117 Foxtrot, today. Evening America 2019, centered on the Frogs. We're out of 14,000 information goal.
May 2019, my approach, welcome, flight ILS runway 9er.
That's fine, sorry about that, we're out of 13,000.
Got it, appreciate it.
Turn, join Kilo, taxi to the ramp is frequency, good evening. Kilo.
C2, just heading 120 please, intercept the localizer, maintain 4,000.
120 intercept, localizer 4,000, maybe 13.
Delta 2548, descend to maintain 4,000.
So maintain 4,000, Delta 2548.
American 2019, descend via except for maintain 6,000.
Down to 6 on the V, American 2019.
Land Ecuador 120 heavy, reduce speed to 170 till the nest, towers 123.9er.
110 Chilenas, 129 on the next 120.
Good day. American 3023, speed 170 better to VEPCO, towers 123.9er.
123, VEPCO, 123.9, good day, American 3023.
Good day. American 1352, cross leg at or above 4,000 to ILS 9er approach.
Cross leg at above 4,000, clear ILS 9er, American 1352.
UPS 391 Heavy, descend to maintain 8,000.
8,000, UPS 391 Heavy.
UPS 391 Heavy, sweep back as you cross the final for that descent. Traffic contact approach 124.85.
12485, copy. UPS 391.
Delta 2548, fly heading 130 and intercept via localizer.
Fly, hey, 130, intercept localizer, Delta 2548, and that's for runway 9, right?
Yes, ILS 9 for you guys.
Yeah, ILS 9 or intercept 2548.
Transalva 7137, heading 020.
Heading 020, transfer 7137.
American 360, your speed 210 to grid.
09, airline equal to 111 Heavy.
124.85, good day.
7485, 21.
American 3023 over Piana for runway 12.
330-23, Miami Tower, runway 12, clear to land. Hold short runway 9, heavy, Boeing 767, land runway 9.
Clear to land runway 12, hold short of runway 9, American 3023.
Giant 4570, heavy, left at uniforms approved, if you can make it.
We're going to take Tango 8.
Delta 1588, make the left turn from a uniform Sierra, hold short of 12 at Sierra.
Uniform Sierra, short of 12 on Sierra, Delta 1588.
Alright, 4570, heavy left, Tango 8, and hard left turn to Tango. Taxi via Tango to the ramp.
Thank you, sir. Tango 8, Tango to the ramp, Giant 4570 Heavy.
Thanks. There's a 75 on your left side. They're going to use, give way to them at uniform. They're going to join the northbound, north parallel taxi with it.
Roger that, Giant 4570 Heavy.
Land Ecuador 111 heavy, RNAV to Baller, runway 9 are clear for takeoff.
RNAV to Baller, runway 9 is clear for takeoff on Ecuador 111 Heavy.
American 360, reduce your speed to 170 till the net. You're 6 miles in trail to 76, caution lake turbulence.
170, that's American 360.
Quebec and contact ground point 8.
Alright, cross 12 on Sierra, join Quebec, ground point 8, Delta 1588, have a good night.
See you.
Good night.
739, good day.
Number 98914, descend to maintain 3000.
That's our Giant 4570.
Good night.
Departure American 1594, thanks, yeah.
Route 316, RNAV to Sea Salt, runway 8 right, cleared for takeoff.
RNAV Sea Salt, takeoff 8 right, 316.
Envoy 4250, Miami Tower, runway 8 right, line up and wait.
8 right, line up, wait, Envoy 4250.
Land, additional traffic landing 12 is an Airbus. They're going to hold short of your runway.
Clear to land, runway 9, Delta 1588.
American 3023, cross Pine at above 3000, the dial is 12 approach, your speed 210 or greater to Piana.
Speed integrated to Piana 3000, and then clear for the ILS 12, American 3023.
Land Ecuador 120 heavy, cross leg at 4000 to the RNAV runway 9 approach. Land Ecuador 120 heavy, your speed 210 till grid.
Approach American 1352, passing 12 5, Frogs 4, we got golf, landing east.
Extend by 1 second. Giant 4570 heavy, you're 2 miles from grid, turn right heading 060, maintain 3000, still establish local altitude, ILS 9 approach.
060, maintain 3000, Valley with the local altitude, clear for the ILS, runway 9, China 4570.
American 1352, Miami approach, ILS 9er.
ILS 9, thank you.
EPS 5075 heavy, reduce speed to 210.
Speed 210 for EPS 5075.
Giant 4570 heavy, speed 170 until the net.
Tango to hold short, runway 12, Virgin 117 Foxtrot Heavy. Giant 4570.
EasyJet 703, turn 10 degrees right for traffic.
Center right,
EPS 391 heavy, fly heading 020 and maintain 10,000.
Heading 020, 10,000, 391.
Giant 4570 heavy, towers 123.9er, good day.
23-9er, Giant 4570, thanks.
EasyJet 703, expedite to 4,000, please.
That's right, 4,000.
American 360, descend to maintain 8,000.
8,000, American 360.
Exit 703, contact approach 125.5, good day.
25.5,
American 1352, reduce speed to 230.
230, American 1352.
American 360, turn right direct to leg, maintain 7,000.
Down to 7,000, right turn correct leg, American 360.
American 1352, fly heading of 130, intercept the localizer, maintain 8,000.
130, intercept localizer, maintain 8,000, American 1352.
Miami approach Delta 2548, send me the Fox forward call.
And 4570, heavy, roger.
Descend out 7,000 for 5,000, always call.
Channel 7137, Miami approach well, complete the visual approach to runway 8 left. American 360, cross leg at 4,000, today left 9er approach.
Look at 4,000, sir.
EPS 391 heavy, finding 030.
Heading 030, 391.
Delta 20.